So to test your internet connection speed, you have to go to website speedtest.net. I already have opened the web page. Once you're there, click on the button Go, and the download speed will be first one which will be tested. As you can see, my internet connection speed is around 350 megabits per second. And once the download is done, upload connection speed will be tested. So that's it. As you can see, my results are pretty good because I'm also on the Wi-Fi. If I would use the cable, it will be much faster. If you want to share your internet connection speed results, you can click here on this icon. Thank you for watching.